Ring ring. Hi, Dr. Kyla. Thank you very much for accepting our demo invitation. Especially, I would like also to express my gratitude to Wenelin for setting this schedule. So, may I know if 15 minutes is okay with your time?
Yeah, it's fine to me.
Okay. So, may I know, Doctor, how is your day going?
Busy because with a lot of walk-ins today, but I can give you 5 minutes of my time.
You mean 15 minutes, Doctor?
Oh yeah, 15 minutes.
Okay. All right. So thank you very much, Doctor, for letting me introduce you to Chris AI for today. So let me give you first the brief introduction about Chris AI. So Chris AI is an artificial intelligence powered chatbot which is specifically designed for dental industry. So um, its focus is to improve the customer support, increase the website conversion, and also reduce the workload of the staffs. Doctor, may I ask if you use any kind of chatbot in your website?
Yes, there are. As of now, we currently are using live chat. Can you explain what kind of AI? I mean, I want to know why I need to use in my business because we are already using live chat and it worked perfectly fine.
I absolutely understand your point, Doctor. You know, AI is becoming the cornerstone of business operations nowadays. It's because it can automate tasks, it provides 24/7 customer support, and it can also enhance the decision making of both patients and the dentist. So, doctor, you mentioned that you're currently using the live chat. Is that correct?
Oh yeah, that's correct.
All right. Doctor, may I know if you're currently aware that the live chat only offers a limited chat support response to your patient? Unlike if you're going to use the Chris AI, it can accommodate unlimited chat support to your patients that can answer their concerns 24/7.
Wow, I didn't know that live chat have a limited responses. It feels my client has been left behind all of this time.
That's correct, doctor. You know, AI is now becoming the crucial for success, especially in dental industry because of its flexibility, efficiency, and innovation.
Oh, you know what? I'm very surprised by how it can help my clinic in the future.
All right. By the way, doctor, a lot of dentists that I speak to are talking about how they are currently dealing with staff shortage. May I know if it's something you're currently facing as well?
Yes, because I don't have enough staff that will answer my patients' questions. Since Wenelin, is very busy citing our walk-in clients and creating documents.
All right, doctor. First, let me share you my screen so I can show you how Trees AI will be able to solve your patient shortage problem.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, just a moment. Can you see the website, doctor?
Yes.
All right. So, um, I will going to show you. I will going to ask Chris about the patient concern, and let's see how Chris AI will be able to answer that. Are you ready, doctor?
Yes.
All right. So let's ask Chris about I expect.
What shall I expect during my first association?
All right. As you can see, Doctor, Chris AI will be able to answer your patient concern without waiting a lot of time. So, let's let's try another prompt, shall we? Let's ask Chris about, do you offer payment plans for dental treatments? All right. Let's see if Chris will be able to answer that. Can you see, Doctor, how Chris AI can answer even the most complex question like offering payment plans that is aligned in your business?
Oh,
Um,
that's really great.
yeah, that's really great, Doctor. You know,
Uh,
Doctor, a lot of dentists that I talked to said that they are currently dealing with a lot of foreigners lately, and language barrier is their major problem. Um, may I know if it's something that you're currently facing as well?
oh yeah, yes. Last week, I have a French patients. We needed to translate everything through Google Translate, just to understand each other.
I completely un I completely understand, Doctor. You know, you don't need to worry about that anymore because Chris AI is a multilingual chatbot that can help you address your foreigners' concerns according to their preferred language. Um, let's ask Chris if he was able to answer foreigners so we can test it. Let's assume that you have a Spanish patient. So let's
Oh
ask.
yeah, sure.
Okay, let's ask ¿qué servicios did you see how Chris AI will be able to answer your patient concerns in Spanish, Doctor? It's because Chris AI allows communication with patients in their preferred language that can enhance the accessibility and the patient satisfaction. Do you want to try Chris AI regarding the common pain points of the dentist, Doctor?
Sure. Let's see. If crazy, I can answer this one. Please type TP Candy, 17 years old, RCT, heavy smoker.
As you can see, Dr. Chris AI was able to provide a treatment plan for your patient, Candy, who is currently 17 years old and wants to undergo rather a root canal treatment.
Wow, I didn't expect it. That's really great. That's amazing.
That's absolutely correct, Doctor. By the way, how frequent did you handle difficult patients?
I think maybe 5 months, 5 times a month.
All right, Doctor. Let's now try a prompt regarding the challenges in handling difficult patients. There you go. As you can see, Dr. Chris AI was able to provide the training module that your front desk needs in order to enhance their performance in terms of dealing difficult patients and conflicts. As you can observe, Doctor, we saw how Chris AI will be able to help you enhance your business in terms of handling your patient's concern and automate the tasks. So may I know if you have any more questions, Doctor?
Yes, actually, I know, I really see the potential of Crazy Eye in for my business, but may I know how much it costs?
All right, Doctor. So let me show you how much Chris AI. So here, this is the plans and pricing of Chris AI. So the standard plan is $199 per month with a set of fee of $500. So you can get a patient chat, then Pad AI note assistant, expert clinical resource, and supplies and equipment support that you and your clinic can enjoy.
Do you think it's a hand expenses for a chatbot?
I completely understand your hesitation, doctor. However, Choose AI will be helping your clinic in reducing costs, automating tasks, and increase website conversion. With that, Choose AI can improve your case acceptance and give you a very higher revenue. Plus, not mentioning that one satisfied customer is worth more than 199 monthly service fee. Is that correct, doctor?
Oh, okay, okay, you got me.
Shall we close the deal now, doctor?
Yeah. Okay, let's do this because I'm very excited to have Crazy Eye in my website.
All right. We'll begin the setup process immediately. Thank you very much for your time, Dr. Kyla.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye.